Hello all, I am back with a short video tutorial for using Zoom. So when you log into your Zoom account, you can see multiple options on the screen. Among those options, there is the headphone at the left extreme corner. You need to make sure it's turned on, and then it will give you the option of join with computer audio, so make sure you are turning it on. After turning it on, you can see some green waves, which means that you are audible to the students and the mic is working properly. If there are no green waves, if there is any exclamation, it is not working. If for turning it off, you can just click on the option and a cross will appear, which means that it's now turned off. Same is the case with the video. If you want to share, you can click on it, then your video will appear to the students. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. Then there are some other options available on the Zoom as well, like allowing the students to unmute themselves, renaming themselves, some security options. So for that, you need to go onto this option, that is this security, and here you can see that there is this option of share a screen. So don't allow your students to share their screen, it would distract. Same is the case for chat, and make sure you're not allowing the students to unmute themselves and to rename themselves. If there is a tick, it means that they are allowed to share. If there is no tick, it means that they are not allowed to share. So make sure it is all not turned on. Then there's this option of lock meeting. If you want to close the door and don't want to let anyone in the class, then lock the meeting, nobody will enter. If you want to enable the waiting room, you want to wait the students to wait outside the class until and unless you allow them, just click it on. Then there is this option of participants. Clicking on it, you can see the whole list on your left hand side. At the bottom of your name, you can see the list of all the participants. The chat option is also there. You can type whatever you want to. Then you can share the screen as well. For that, there is this green option on the screen. Click on it and then share the screen. Whatever thing you want to share, just minimize those tabs and all those tabs will appear while sharing the screen. So click on that particular tab and click on the share at the corner, that is at the bottom as well. Sharing the screen, this is how it will appear at the students screen. And for suppose if you want to show any video to the students, in the meanwhile you want to share your audio as well with the audio, so you can turn on the mic. Or if you want to show only the video, then don't turn on the mic, keep it off. Same is the case if you want to share the video. You can share the screen's video and your video at the same time by turning on the option of start video. Then there are other options like annotating. You can click on the annotate option and then you can make this circle or whatever on the screen. If you want to erase it, there is the eraser available as well. For sharing the computer audio, you all need to make sure that you are going to this more option, and after going to this more option that is on the corner, you are playing on the video. This is how your computer sound will be shared to the students. How you can do it? Just go onto this option of more in the corner, turn on the third last option, that is share computer sound. If it is turned on, if there is a tick mark there, it means that your screen's sound is now audible to the students as well. They can also hear what is you are actually showing to them. This is how Zoom works, and these are the options like sharing the audio, video, the participants chat, share a screen, the security options. If you want to record it, you can record the session as well for you. That's it. Thank you.